Hello there everyone and welcome to yet another video. This past couple of months we have had a lot of different competitions. First we had a competition where you could win a G-Loomis NRX Plus rod, a one-handed rod free of choice. Then we had a competition for a Sage free of choice, both one-handed and two-handed. But now that Black Friday is well and done, we want to up that competition. We want to do something that is completely extraordinary because it's been a great year, and we've been so pleased and we're so blessed with all the customers, with you, the customers that we have, that we want to give something back. So this new competition is going to run from the 29th of November until the 31st of December. And in this competition, what you can win is a complete two-handed setup, perfectly suited for the Danish salmon. So in this competition, if you place an order for more than 70 euros, you're in the competition for a Loomis NRX Plus two-handed rod, complete with an Einarsson Reel, and with running line and a shooting head and tippet from Rio. But that's not all. In this competition as well, you have we also add a full day's guided fishing with me. So of course, since you're probably from abroad or from wherever you're watching this, then of course, if you do not have the opportunity to go to Denmark and come fishing with me, we can of course ship this two-handed kit worldwide. But if you do have the opportunity and to come and fish with me, then that's included in the price as well. So basically, if you place an order in Nordic Anglers from the 29th of November to the 31st of December for more than 70 euros, you're in this competition for a complete and full G-Loomis Einarsson Reel setup, perfectly suited for the Danish salmon. And also, I will take you out fishing in a Danish salmon river if you have the opportunity to get to Denmark. Of course, for you to go to Denmark is not something that we're gonna pay for. You'll have to do that on your own. But as I said, if you're the lucky winner of this competition, and you're in, let's say, Canada or South Africa or wherever you may be, we can easily just ship this to you. And of course, if you do not have, you're not able to come to Denmark, then that is how it is, and that's perfectly fine as well. But if you have the opportunity, I would be thrilled to take you salmon fishing and to show you exactly how to use the gear that you have just won in this competition. So swing by Nordic Anglers throughout December, and if you order for more than 70 euros, you're in the competition. You're in the draw for this perfect two-handed setup. The ideal setup. It's actually exactly the same setup that I'm using for when I go salmon fishing in Denmark. So swing by Nordic Anglers. Thank you for a good year. Looking forward to doing more business in the following years. Thank you for watching.